Me. And I say, what's going on, my sexy pieces? This is man Daym drops back in with another super man, shut that up! Shut that up! Y'all know what time it is, Carl? Yesterday, or well, shall I say the other day, we had to slide up to the worst reviewed fast food restaurant in my hood. That means today, we got to slide over to the best reviewed fast food restaurant in my hood. And I think by now we all know who it is. We ain't even got to sit here and play these games. But I am going to go and show you as to why they get such a high rating in comparison to everybody else and their mama. So sit back, relax, get comfortable, all that good stuff, B. And it's time to go ahead and get our hungrifications on. Doggy, I holla. All right, foodie fam, let's get right into the reviews of Chick-Fil-A over here in West Hartford, Connecticut. This one's from 15 days ago. They gave it 1 star. Well, cold fries, hot sandwich with a hot fly. Whoa, never again. All thrown in the garbage, ordered via DoorDash, and had a tag to pull open, and so was not tampered. Now, still hungry, but I'll wait till I get home. What's going on with the hot fly, though? Unless she was just hating. I don't know, y'all. Let's get into the next one. Because the next two, they 5s all day. But that first one, that was a 1-star Joan. I just had the best experience ever at Chick-Fil-A. I always have a great experience at Chick-Fil-A. They always go above and beyond, and they are really a family restaurant. But today, a girl named Mackenzie made my trip extraordinary. She is the sweetest, kindest, and respectful worker I've ever seen. She has the purest joy. She really enjoys her job, and she should be recognized for her hard work and devotion to the business. I'll be returning soon just because I feel so welcome and at home at Chick-fil-A. I visited around 8:30, January 28th, 2020. Let's get into this last review. Let's go check out Chick-fil-A. All Chick-fil-A restaurants pride themselves on customer service, and this West Hartford location certainly does not disappoint. The staff are always extremely pleasant, and the food comes out very quickly. No matter the size of the drive-thru or order in line, expect to get your order within 3 minutes. The food is consistently good each time, hot and fresh, always a good experience.
Mr. Gaita here at the West Hartford Chick-fil-A. May I get name start your order?
Yes, Daym.
Wayne, what can I get for you?
Let me go ahead and get your number 1 large.
A number 1 regular, number 1 deluxe.
Number 1 regular.
Is pickles okay?
Yes, pickles is fine.
And the beverage?
Let me get a large water, please.
A bottle or a cup?
I'll take a bottle.
Any sauces?
Yeah, can I get one of each of your sauces?
Already, you said pickles were okay?
Yep. Also,
anything else?
Can I get mac and cheese?
American cheese?
No, mac and cheese.
Oh, a small, medium, or large?
I'll take medium.
Did you want that instead of your fries or with your fries?
Take it with the fries.
Anything else?
Also, can I get some nuggets?
And how many nuggets?
Let me get your 8 count.
Did you want the meal or just the nuggets?
Just the nuggets.
Anything else?
And a large lemonade.
Alrighty, would I complete your order?
Yes.
It's gonna be 1967 at the window.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
They got everything ready right here. That's pretty cool. I like that. Fam, straight off the muscle, this is why Chick-fil-A is on a different level. I know everybody's doing whatever it is that they can to make sure that we all stay safe when we hit these drive-thrus. Chick-fil-A took it up another notch. They have the payment machine on the outside of the drive-thru window, so you handle it all on your own. And they have my food ready, y'all. Ready. Right. Okay, napkins. Napkin check. Ghetto bib check. Ooh. Okay, shut up. Yo, family. Okay, my little chicky wicky sandwich right up over here. Let's just go ahead and we're gonna get right into it as we take it out. We ain't gonna even wait. Let's just go ahead and grab that thing up out. Oh, you stupid hot. Sheesh. Okay, bun check. Soft bun check, and it's not breaking up like somebody's Sketch-a-Detch bun that we had the other day. Y'all, you see the pickle popping on a handstand. All right, let's go ahead and drop the top in a convertible box. properly toasted the way it should be. Chick-fil-A's chicken. I mean, it needs a little mayo. I ain't gonna stunt. It needs a little mayo. That's why, you know what I'm saying, Popeye's chicken always wins on this one. The Popeye's chicken sandwich go harder, but we already been down that road. We already talked about that. However, let's get that bite of delight. Upside down for flavor. Upside down because that's where the pickle is. Wow. You see how thick, how juicy, how crispy, how fresh the bread is? Pickle for a little flavor. Tender on that chicken. Wet. That chicken wet. That chicken bunched up for the winner on him. Thicker than that boo thing on OnlyFans. Holla at your boy. Oh, you golden. Yeah. You everything I like. Everything about you says hot, fresh, straight to the palate. Oh, let's keep it moving though. Let's get back in the bag like we never left. I said I wanted all the sauces. Honey mustard. What? Barbecue sauce. What? Get stupid. Chick-fil-A sauce. What? Okay. Get stupid on them. Zesty buffalo sauce. Holla. What you want? Come here, boo. I said I wanted all the sauces. They gave me all the sauces. Garden herb ranch. What? Okay. 2 flips of ketchup. Bung. Bung. What? Come on. Come with it. Come with it. Polynesian sauce. Chick-fil-A. Oh. I ain't playing with y'all. Sweet and spicy sriracha sauce. Yes. Yes. Come with it. Another Chick-fil-A sauce. Come with it. We're going to get right up off in here. We're going to get right to the Mac. Y'all know how I get down. We're going to get right to the Mac. We're going to get right to the Mac, and y'all know I get freaky with it. Don't ever play yourself. You order Mac, me and Badlands Chugs already showed you about this. You order the Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, you get the nugs. Why do you get the nugs with the Chick-fil-A mac and cheese? Because you put the nugs up off into the Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, pimpin'. Acting like you don't know what to do with these nugs. Come here. Come here. Come here. You get right up in there is where you get, and push it down too. Get cheesy on that thing. Push it down. Oh, get another nug. And do what? Push it, mush it. Push it, mush it. Push it. Burn. One more. Chick-fil-A. You really got me going. You got me go. Come on, y'all. I told you. Chick-fil-A mac and cheese with they nugs. Go dumb. Go dumb. Oh, and you hot. Hot. Hot and cheesy. Hot and cheesy. Please, squeeze, gravy. Remember when I used to love them and leave them. That's what I used to do. Use and abuse them. Then I laid eyes on you. It was pain before pleasure. Oh, shit. That was my claim to fame. With every measure, Chick-fil-A. Taste your Mac again, yeah. My bad, y'all. Every time I hit Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese, I go dumb. Let me get some of these fries. Everything's stupid hot. Come here. Come here, fry. Come here. salty. You're a little mushy, or whatever. And you're still salty. If you have not seen personally why Chick-Fil-A comes in as the best reviewed fast food restaurant in my hood, Foodie fam, all we can do now is go back to the Honeycomb Hideout and type up this Yelp review. What's going on, people? She made me a Daym Drops. We are back at the Honeycomb Hideout, and you already know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and, yes, type up this Yelp review for Chick-Fil-A. Shut up, let's go. I already knew that Chick-fil-A was going to take the W for the best reviewed fast food chain in my state. Training alone for this QSR hits different, for their employees truly make you feel at home, and this is not just a one-off location. You can travel abroad and get the same treatment, and so I send off a standing ovation for the service. But now, let's talk about the food. I tried to hit Chick-fil-A with a curveball in order to damn near half the menu. Nah, just jokes. But I did order a few items, and everything came out hot as it should be. Let us not forget to mention that when we went to make my payment, their card machine was located outside of the drive-thru window. So I did not even have to give anyone my card to make the payment, and so that's another W in my book of wins. The chicken sandwich was both tender and juicy. It had more snap and a crisp than a box of Rice Krispies in the milk, with that type of pop that you can only get by shaking Jiffy popcorn over the stove. I see you, Chick-fil-A. I messed around and had another order of their cheesy mac and cheese and even tainted it with their nugs. If you never had the opportunity to experience this level of Frankenstein foods, you are doing yourself a disservice. Thick nugs mixed in only adds to the flavor profile of their cheesy goodness in a cup. But you go ahead and keep on dodging such greatness. Chick-fil-A's waffle fries are just okay. Nothing really to write home about. But once you start getting freaky with the fries and dipping them up off into the sauces, well, now you're mingling with finesse in the food game, but don't take my word for it. Chick-fil-A will reign supreme for this alone, for they know how to keep folks talking about them and begging for more, even on Sunday when they are closed. Stalkers will still drive by in hopes to catch the leftover whiff from Saturday's orders. I will return, Chick-fil-A. I will return. Alright, y'all. Look, man, a lot of you are new to this channel, so please subscribe, slap a like on the video, enjoyed it. Down thumb it if you hated it. It's your main man Daym Drops. You can catch me on Instagram, official Daym Drops, no doubt. You know how we get down. Even if you don't get the notification, I drop new food reviews every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, alright? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, alright? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. More and more and more. Super official. Food reviews, kid digger, baby. I know you can't hate. Listen, man. Drops. Super.